Welcome to Chemistry Wide. Today we will see main functional groups of organic molecule. First, name and substituent name. See, first one is alkane, single bond. It makes sp3 hybridization. Their substituent name alkyl. See, here R is the carbon substituent. It is represent, or simply we can say R is rest of the molecule or substituent. Second one, alkene. Alkene, it makes double bond and sp2 hybridization. The substituent name alkenyl. Here this is the substituent. Next, alkyne, it makes sp hybridization. The name of the substituent alkynyl. This R is represent substituent. Next, benzene. The substituent name is phenyl. This is the benzene substituent. Next, amine. The substituent name is amino. Next, alcohol. The substituent name is hydroxy. See here, this oxygen is more electronegative element, so it is pulling the electron from hydrogen, so it is attained partially negative charge and hydrogen attained partially positive charge. Move on. Next, ether. The substituent name is alkaxy. Here R represent rest of the molecule. Next, halide. Halide means here halogen family. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. The substitute name is alkyl halide. We know that halogen family has 7 valence. The all dot is denoted valence electron. Next, thiol. This is the sulfur. Here R is the rest of the molecule. Here also R is the rest of the molecule. Here there is no any substituent name. Next, aldehyde. See, in aldehyde, this carbon and oxygen bend with the bond. Oxygen has more electronegativity than carbon, so carbon attain partially positive charge and oxygen attain partially negative charge. There is no name for this ketone. Next, this is the C double bond O. This is a carbonyl portion. See, the both are represent rest of the molecule. There is also no substituent name. Next, carboxylic acid. Here R is represent the rest of the molecule. So we know that oxygen makes double bond. This oxygen also two lone pair electron. This oxygen also two lone pair electron. This is the structure of the carboxylic acid molecule. There is no any substituent name for this. Next, amide. Here is same thing also, same thing here. There is no substituent name. Next, functional group supporter. This is the name, this is the substituent name. Nitrile, we know that carbon makes double bond, triple bond and single bond, but nitrogen makes only triple bond. So nitrogen valence is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The substituent name is cyano. Nitrile is called cyano. See here R is the rest of the molecule. Here nitrogen has more electronegative element, so this is pull the electron from this carbon. So this carbon attained partially positive charge and nitrogen attained partially negative charge. Then see this molecule, epoxide. There is only one R present. Here there is no any substitute name. Next, amine. We know that nitrogen makes triple bond. See, 1 2 3 triple bond, but one lone pair electron. So we can see commonly oxygen family, it makes double bond. Nitrogen as it makes triple bond, but one lone pair. Here there is no any substitute name. Next, see this. This is like ketone, but here one R is present. This is called acid chloride. If we put Br, it is called acid bromide. If we put I, it is called acid iodide. Here there is no any substituent name. Next, anhydride. See here, there is R is present. Here also R is present, double R present. See there, this oxygen as both are equally two lone pair electron, and this oxygen has two lone pair electron, and it makes double bond. This oxygen, this is one bond, this is one bond. There is no any substitute name for this. Next, nitro. See this nitro group, there is present one only R. Here oxygen, we know that oxygen makes double bond. Here see, the oxygen is more electronegativity element, so the oxygen pull the electron from this nitrogen, so this nitrogen attained partially positive charge. There is also no any other substitute name. Next one, sulfide or thioether. This is the thioether. Thioether also has 2 R. R is rest of the molecule. This is also 2 R. There is no any other substituent name. Next, azide. See here, we know that nitrogen makes triple bond. Here only one R present, but valence is, nitrogen valence is 5. 1 bond, 2 bond, 3 bond. Here again this nitrogen pull the electron from this nitrogen, so this nitrogen again, this nitrogen pull the electron from this nitrogen. So this nitrogen attained partially positive charge, this nitrogen attained partially negative charge, because see here this nitrogen has 3 bond, but this nitrogen has 4 bond here, 1 2 3 4, but there is no any lone pair electron, so it is attained partially positive or positive charge. We can say simply positive charge. This nitrogen has one extra electron, so this nitrogen attained attained negative charge. See this person, why this nitrogen attained positive charge, this nitrogen has attained negative charge. This is the causes. I can tell one more. Nitrogen, it makes triple bond, but this nitrogen has triple bond, but this nitrogen has only 4 bond, but there is no any lone pair electron, so that is why this nitrogen attained positive charge. Here this nitrogen has only 2 bond, but 2 lone pair, so this nitrogen has extra 1 electron, so this is negative charge. Subscribe the channel, more videos on the way. Thanking you all the best.